Soft breeze through the trees, whispering leaves in the air. Crickets chirp their night lullabies, moonlight dances everywhere. Brook winding gently down, owl hoots from ancient pine. Stars twinkle with silent sound, nature's rhythm so divine. Close your eyes, let worries fade. Feel the night's sweet serenade. Whispering pines call your name, guiding dreams in night's embrace. Fireflies sparkle bright, misty fog drifts over field. Soft rustling in the night, nature's secrets are revealed. Find peace in each sound, nature's balm surrounds you. In this forest life abounds, lull to sleep 'neath skies of blue. Close your eyes, let worries fade. Feel the night's sweet serenade. Feel the night's sweet serenade. Close your eyes, let worries fade. Feel the night's sweet serenade. Whispering